In this video, I will show you how to create hair care product survey. First, you need to click Add on, Coffee Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search hair care product survey, and then just click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. Refresh the page, and then click Coffee Form and Get Link. Just click Continue here and choose your account. Click Advanced, and then go to Coffee Form, and just click Allow here. You will get the link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use like this. You can also change the questions. For example, go to question type, and for example here I want to insert new row and use tags, and just copy the tags, and here I change it into name for example, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can also change text into date for example, and don't forget to change the text too into date of birth like this, so it will show like this in the form, so the audience can pick easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. Go to settings to change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into blue into soft blue like this. And also I will give an example to give a style for the title. I add the mark behavior here. Just follow the step, alternate, and then for scroll amount, for example I use 25, or you can pick as you want, and don't forget to close the code like /mark to your form, and the title is moving now. Thank you.